Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about increase the volume. So if you remember, we are trying to move from where you are and into the direction of where you want to be, right? So basically, the way you do that is by increase the volume. And I don't mean call Tarzan, right? What I mean here basically is that it's time to bring your online presence to another level. And the way you do that is increase the volume of your posts, sharing, and your activity online.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination.
So basically, if you are posting 3 times a week, it's time to double that. If you're doing a post a day, for example, double that as well, or even triple. It's important that your listeners or your followers notice you are now stepping up your efforts, being more active and interacting more than before with them. One benefit of increasing the volume is that your posts will stretch to different time zones and reach new potential listeners. And that is a favorable thing to happen. And it's really happen. If this really happen, actually help you grow online. Because again, you're targeting different time zones this time because you have more posts, right? So I recommend you take that very slowly and healthier. Increase the volume doesn't mean that you're going to need to be crazy and start posting every 5 minutes, right? So it's not about quantity, but it's more increasing your efforts, but keeping, and this is very important, don't compromise on your post qualities. So you need to keep your qualities and don't lose your voice and tone. Basically, you need to keep growing in a clean and a very natural way.
It's a tie, Dad.
Okay, as an action, plan to increase the volume, like I said, slowly, and thinking that in advance, so at your own speed. So you can, keep the consistency. This is very important. So work on the post development and create a buffer of at least 10 posts before posting more. Plan that in advance. So that's the key here. So you don't need to create posts in real time. So you can work on creating those posts in advance and you get a buffer of 10 posts, for example. So if you are just posting before 3 times a week with these 10 posts, you can at least make it 6 times a week and still have 4 posts left, right? So that's this strategy. So you can start simply doubling your posts, and when you feel comfortable, gradually increase the frequency of those posts. And everything, like I said, plan in advance so you can make sure you have the quality still going on. Okay? So that's it for today, and see you soon again next week. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.